Hey, 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 hey. Chicken. Chicken has been on my mind like literally all day. I'm thinking about it in the morning, when I woke up, when I went to school, when I came home from school. I came home from school like a little while ago. And I'm thinking about it now. Chicken and sticks. I was just holding a stick, but then I threw it right before I saw it. Chicken and sticks. Chicken sticks. Do they make chicken sticks? I hope so. I want a chicken stick. I hope they make them. I really want one now. Chicken stick, chicken stick, chicken. Oh, sorry. This is awkward. Really want some chicken. Want a chicken stick. Chicken and stick. Chicken stick. And penguins and fries. Penguin fries. No, that'd be mean and cruel and gross. Chicken sticks. Bye. And don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like, and check for more daily vlogs. Bye.